Hi guys, we're going to find some food. Going to get some chicken nuggets.
Big chicken nuggets.
And here we're going. We're not going over the speed limit.
I mean, there's some faggot behind me trying to ride me, and I don't like it.
Motherfucker! Oh, frick.
Yeah, like before we started this video, he was just really deep on me. He's trying to get froggy, and I don't do frogs! Sorry, I gotta keep my temper in check. I get a little mad sometimes when I drive.
Is that a sign? Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's a full moon outside. That's pretty sweet.
So, what kind of chicken nuggets are you gonna get?
Oh man, only the greasiest.
I mean, I kind of wanted to get some, like, what kind of sauce are you gonna get with your nuggets?
Oh man, I'm just gonna eat them dry. I got enough sauce in my mouth to where I can just eat things and it tastes much better than you think.
Okay, that's cool, that's cool.
I know.
I was kind of thinking of getting some sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, sweet and sour, that's like the taste in my mouth right now. Life gives you lemons, you know? Lemons.
You don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, I'm kind of a carnivore.
Oh yeah, carny.
I like
carnivals too.
Can you let me finish my sentence? Sorry. So yeah, I'm kind of a whore for chicken nuggets, and oh, it scared me.
Oh wow, he's speed.
Oh, look at those. It's a good trick.
Oh, those lights!
It's blaze the glory over there, boys. Look at that. Look at that license plate.
We got your license plate, Mr. Speeder. Speeder, pumpkin eater.
Get fricked.
Speeder, penis beater. Pancake breakfast, about like that. We should get some pancakes.
I thought we were gonna get chicken nuggets.
Oh, we can get both. You ever wrap a chicken nugget in a little pancake? God, it tastes good.
Speed limit 55.
55 here, huh? Yeah.
See, it's
4:11. That thing's now back.
I thought it was 3:30.
No. We in Mountain Top now.
Oh.
Yeah. So nice to have you visiting from Orlando.
So, I just wanted to make this video to let you know we're gonna get some chicken nuggets, and I think we're done here.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.